We're going to discuss logging in and installing Screencastify. Let's take a look at some steps to get you started. First, you would go to Screencastify. If you already have an account, you would log in as directed. What I mean by as directed is if you have a paid account for school and maybe there's a specific way you're supposed to log in or a code or something of that nature, follow those directions, get logged in. If you don't have an account or if you haven't installed the extension yet, you want to install the extension and then log in. So let's go ahead and look at getting the extension, because that's really one of the first steps you need to take. What you do is go ahead and navigate to Screencastify.com. So on Screencastify.com, we can see right off the bat here, we see that we can add it to Chrome. It's free, the video extension. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to where the extensions are either added or removed. Mine says remove. If yours says add, click on that. If it says remove, that means it already exists. We can close that out. We can close out Screencastify as well. Let's get to our presentation. So if I want to start recording, what I would do is click on my extensions. Up here at the top right, there's a little puzzle piece. Click on that and click on Screencastify. If you are signed out, then when you click on the extension, you'll be prompted to sign in. When prompted to, go ahead and allow your camera and microphone to be used, and you'll see you're good to go. We can close that now. Now when we actually launch Screencastify, it's going to open up like this, and now we are ready to record. So we'll talk about using the recorder in the next video.